Hi my subscribers, my friends. Today we're cooking drunken chicken. So the sauce would be beer. That's the main ingredient. I'm excited and I can't wait it's be ready. All right, we need ginger, garlic, of course chicken. I have 4 pounds here. Soy sauce, pepper, paprika, onion, and of course beer. Let's make a marinade for the chicken and we're going to leave it for a couple hours. But again, it's up to you. You can do it for half an hour, wait, or 20 minutes and it's be ready. So the longer you leave it marinate, the better meat will be. Any meat actually. Okay, now I'm going to grate ginger. Oh, that's too big. We need a small one. After we grate ginger, next part is garlic. We need also grate it in to very micro little pieces. Maybe this one is better also. The smaller is better because the juice will come out and it's going to be more delicious. If you have any questions, by the way, you can comment down below and I will explain you in details how to make the best chicken. After we grate in garlic and ginger, we need to put paprika in. It's about 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon paprika. Boom. And then about maybe 1 spoon of pepper. You need to put the soy sauce. And I will remind you one thing. We didn't put the salt because soy sauce already has it. It is pretty salty already now. And now I have to mix it up. Our marinade basically is ready. It's done with marinating. It's ready to go to the pan. We have to fry our chicken for 70 to 80% readiness. By the way, guys, if you didn't see my video chicken with pistachio sauce in half and half, I recommend you and check that out. While we're frying the chicken, I'm going to cut the onions and garlic. We fried the chicken. Now the next step is cut the onion and garlic, okay, to the small pieces, and then we're going to bake it on the pot again. Put the chicken, beer, 30 minutes and it's done. Garlic, we're going to fry garlic and onion. We need to fry it till the color becomes gold. Just a couple of minutes. Onion is ready. Now we have to all send it to the pot. Let's say we take half of the pan-fried onions and garlic from the pot, lower level, just half. Next part, we're going to send chicken. That's the last level preparation of drunken chicken. On top, we'll put the onion just to cover our chicken with the garlic. Let's spread it correctly. Spread it around. We're gonna add a little bit of oil, just a bit. Beer, that's my favorite last part. We'll cover the pot and leave it for half an hour. And our chicken is ready. Can't wait to try it. But at the meantime, I'm gonna be busy preparing side dish, potatoes. Okay guys, chicken is ready. It came out tender, juicy in the beer sauce and soy sauce, paprika, pepper, garlic, onion. Then I have a side dish, potato, parsley. What else do you need? If you didn't still try it, I really recommend it. But to prove it, let me try first. Very tender and juicy. Thank you guys for watching. I see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. See you soon.